Please rotate your phone. Open Lightroom. Don't skip this video. Add photo gallery. Please like me. Open color mix. Adjust green color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust yellow color. Adjust hue. Please subscribe my channel. Adjust saturation. Adjust orange color. Adjust saturation. Adjust luminous. Adjust hue. Adjust violet color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Click to done. Adjust temperature. Adjust tint. Adjust vibrance. Adjust saturation. Download preset in description. Adjust color grading. Adjust blending. Adjust balance. Click to done. Open effects. Adjust texture. Adjust clarity. Adjust vignette. Adjust midpoint. Adjust feather. Adjust highlights. Open Light Tools. Adjust highlights. Adjust blacks. Export image. Please subscribe my channel. Please like me.